Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service with just a quick tutorial video on how to attach the Vive Walker Bag to our folding walker. Walker bag here, it's got a few nifty features. It's got 3 mesh pockets in front for quick access to any of your belongings there. It also has 2 pockets on the back, one of which seals for your valuables, as well as a pretty sizable zipper pocket on top with pockets inside as well. You zip that shut. The easiest way to attach the walker bag to the walker is to start with this big wide strap right here on top. That's going to fit around the very front of the top frame of the walker. So just unfasten that, wrap it around, attach the fabric fastener to itself, and from there you're in pretty good shape. You've got 2 more straps here at the top. You can unfasten those, wrap those around. And then 2 straps on either side here to attach to the left and right upright frames. You see that comes sticking to itself. Just unfasten it, wrap it around, fasten it over again on both sides. Make sure to adjust it so that you can still reach into all the pockets when it's attached. So get in there. And it's as easy as that. Give us a thumbs up if the video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.